Hey, what's up, Bittorrent holder? The same time is going to be very bad for all Bittorrent holder and very shock news for all of you, my brothers, especially for holders. If you are a holder of Bittorrent, so must watch this video to better understand now. Otherwise, you are completely in the loss, my brother. This time you can see, my friend, the Bittorrent is completely in the loss. Last 7 days, you can see, my friend, minus 10.14% loss now. Just in only last 7 days. Last 24 hours, 3% loss now, and you can see, my friend, the change occurred last 1 hour, so just an only in the profit, but my friend very slowly starting moving upward now. Let's see to what they do. But my friend, I predicate this coin, I will give you advice, but please, I share my opinion, but please research personally, because this is not a financial video, remember. So this time, my friend, the price is 0.003 USD dollar, and you can see that supply is 187 million, my friend, and max supply, you can see, my friend, available supply, so 9 million, my friend, and absolutely the supply is will be down, my friend, and my friend, everything is going to be down now. So let's see, my brothers, to what they do. Let's read the chart, and absolutely you understand after this video to why we are losing and how we are be safe from a loss now. So this time you can see, my friend, Bittorrent price is completely my friend, this time decrease now, but after a jump every graph frequency fails down, and after a fails every graph frequency take a very huge jump. So therefore, my friend, I also, my friend, lost now, and absolutely I hope, my friend, in upcoming time they will give me a good profit now. But let's see to what they do. But kindly holder, if you are a holder, so hold it, don't sell it, and take a good profit now. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, see you next time.